All right, I got the glass on and all the layers in between the TV. There's a white sheet, a glass layer, a white sheet, and then there's like this there's your layers and the glass layer. Let's see how it turned out. Okay. Whoa. Oh no. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Crud. Whoa. That is bright. What is going on over here? Well, this might be a good garage TV. Why is it so, like... I think these layers are backwards. Yeah. Alright, got some more work to do. Got the lights fixed. And we'll see what we can do.